red panda. The red panda is found in the thick forests of the eastern Himalayas. Like the giant panda, it has black legs, but with its small ears, rusty red fur, and its bushy tail, it looks more like a fox. However, it isn't closely related to either of them. In fact, the red panda doesn't have any close relatives. The red panda spends most of its time alone, sitting in trees, eating bamboo and sleeping. This beautiful animal is an iconic symbol of the Himalayas, but sadly it is threatened by human activity. Although the red panda also eats insects, grass and grubs, 85% of its diet is bamboo. So when the bamboo forests are cut down by people for building houses and feeding livestock, the red panda's main food source is destroyed. Even worse, the red panda is hunted for its beautiful thick fur in a lot of countries. In particular, its striped tail is used to make traditional hats. There are now thought to be less than 10,000 red pandas left in the wild. If we don't do something soon, it will be too late for them. Urgent action is needed to stop the destruction of this rare animal's natural habitat and to bring an end to the practice of hunting them for their fur. There are several things that you can do to help protect the red panda from extinction. Join an organization that protects the red panda. Sponsor a forest guardian who cares for them in the wild. Adopt a red panda. Time is running out for the red panda. Let's act now to ensure that this amazing creature survives.